Cassette drum brake assembly. After you have installed or replaced the bearings in the hub shell using a standard bearing press kit, clamp the left axle in an axle vise. Then the ratchet spacer drops in. Then note on the ratchet ring there is a lip on the side that goes into the hub. Use red Loctite 277, which is high strength version, on the threads. And use the ratchet ring tool torque the ratchet ring to 30 Newton meters. You will have the hub built into a wheel, so it'll be much easier. Wipe away any excess red Loctite. Then the seal is installed, and there is a lip seal on one side which goes up. And then the free hub body spacer. And some Castro CLSOO grease, which is very low viscosity for the ratchet. A little bit on the seal. Install the driver. It should turn very freely and operate normally. Then the Locknut has a shoulder with wrench flats on the outside. Torque the Locknut to 8.5 Newton meters. Then invert the wheel in the axle vise. Install the brake plate bushing, the small shoulder up, and the brake assembly. Then the large spacer, the thinner spacer, and the Locknut. Torque the Locknut to 8.5 Newton meters. The brake arm should spin freely with no binding, and the free hub body should turn easily, and the axle turns with no binding. And then you're done.